This tiny spice is more powerful than gold.
It's called saffron.
It protects your heart.
It improves circulation.
It gives radiant skin. It reduces dark spots. It boosts energy.
And yes, it's a natural aphrodisiac.
Just soak 2 or 3 strands,
Drink at night.
but don't overuse it.
Quality matters.
Nature hides power.
In the smallest things.
Welcome to the miracles of nature.
For your health and for the health of your family.
I'm A.R. Khan.
I am Amma Khan.
Support our channel by subscribe.
Share, like, and click the bell icon.
Before medicine, before science, there was a secret.
A treasure born from fire-colored petals.
More precious than gold, lighter than silk. And tonight, we reveal its power. Empires guarded it. Warriors trusted it.
Queens bathed in it.
Now science confirms it.
This is not myth, this is medicine.
Now science confirms it. Inside your mind, something changes.
Saffron lifts the weight of stress.
Inside your mind, something changes.
Saffron lifts the weight of stress.
It may fight mild depression.
It awakens your happiness.
A brighter mind begins here.
Your heart works every second.
Saffron supports healthy circulation.
It may lower harmful cholesterol.
Powerful antioxidants defend you.
Such power in something so small.
It protects your vision.
It may slow age-related decline.
It strengthens memory.
It sharpens focus.
A stronger brain. A sharper future.
It transforms your skin.
It reduces pigmentation.
It purifies naturally.
Ancient beauty rituals trusted it.
Makes luxury.
It fuels your body.
It strengthens immunity.
It fights inflammation.
It restores vitality.
Just 3 strands can change your day.
Saffron has long been called.
A natural aphrodisiac.
It supports hormonal harmony.
It may reduce PMS discomfort.
It nurtures connection.
The ritual is simple.
2 or 3 strands.
Let it bloom,
Drink before sleep.
but respect its power.
Too much can cause side effects.
Consult your physician if needed.
Choose purity.
Choose quality. Nature hides miracles in fragile forms.
And saffron is one of its brightest flames.
They call it the golden healer.
But even gold burns if the fire inside you is already strong.
If your body runs hot, always warm, always
If you have
intense,
burning sensations, acidity, mouth ulcers.
saffron may not be for you.
In Ayurveda, this is called high pitta.
Too much heat, too much fire.
More saffron can turn warmth into imbalance. If you are pregnant,
Small culinary use may be safe.
but high doses, never without medical advice.
If you suffer from heavy bleeding,
Or take blood thinning medicines,
saffron may increase circulation.
and that can be risky.
If your blood pressure is already low,
Too much saffron may make you feel weak or dizzy.
saffron is
Or
powerful.
without balance becomes danger.
2 to 5 strands a day.
Is enough for most people,
Respect the spice.
and it will respect your body.
To buy good quality saffron,
Click on the link given in the comment section below.
and you can buy them from there. If this video increased your knowledge,
Like, share, and comment below. And take care of your channel. Bye-bye.